Well, as you can tell, we were right there last fall when a peaceful protest in Espanola turned into a shooting investigation.
And tonight, that victim now has a little bit of justice in the form of a civil lawsuit settlement against the alleged shooter and his parents as well. Spencer Schott joins us right now. So, Spencer, you witnessed the shooting. You've been following the aftermath ever since. Tell us what happened with this lawsuit.
Well, we know the victim, Jacob Johns, and the alleged shooter's family reached a settlement outside of court this week, but we don't know the exact details of that settlement because part of the deal was to keep those terms confidential.
It was a scary afternoon up in Espanola last fall when a fight broke out between protesters and a counter-protester near the site of the proposed Oñate statue. Video shows a shooter pulling out a gun and firing one shot before fleeing the scene. 23-year-old Ryan Martinez is charged with that shooting. The victim, Jacob Johns, was taken to the hospital. He was there for more than a month and underwent multiple surgeries.
We lost his spleen, missing parts of his liver, his stomach, and his pancreas, so it was an incredibly serious wound that he received.
Back in January, he sued both Ryan Martinez and his parents for assault, battery, personal injury, and negligence.
The lawsuit itself explains that the parents were the ones who were aware of, and under the claims of the civil lawsuit, were aware of the situation. Beyond that, I can't discuss any more terms of it.
The lawsuit claimed Martinez's parents knew he was obsessed with guns. Reportedly, there was an incident where neighbors called the cops after seeing Martinez walk around heavily armed late at night. Then, back in 2018, Martinez was reportedly questioned by the FBI for making threatening posts online. This week, the civil case was settled. The terms of the settlement are confidential, but this isn't the end of this case. The criminal trial of Ryan Martinez is only a few months away.
And he's looking forward to having his day in court, basically, in the criminal case as the victim of the shooting. And Jacob is really pleased about that the elected DA is the one who's taking the case to trial. And it'll be up to the DA to determine who she calls, but it would make sense for Jacob to testify since he was the one who got shot.
The criminal case is set to start in early July. Johns is listed as a witness, but as you heard, it is unclear if he will take the stand in this case. Back to you guys.
All right, Spencer, thank you so much for continuing to follow that story.